Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the Dolby Atmos in your Samsung A80. The operation is very easy. Just slide 2 times on the upper bar and search for Dolby Atmos here. If you want to tap it, you're gonna turn it on. If you want to tap and hold it, you go to your settings, but your setting gonna be working only if you have to connect the headset in to your phone. You're gonna see the option to tap it, and there are gonna be much more option to do with Dolby Atmos. You can choose the equalizer here, and your happy upscaler gonna be working if your headset gonna be connect into your phone. And that's it. As you see, the sound effects works only earphone and Bluetooth headset mode only. If you have connected, just tap it and you have your Dolby Atmos and love the better sounds of your Samsung A18. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!